Hey y'all, it's Christina. I'm gonna go over some pretty cool and really dumb ringtones I have. Well, the first one we're gonna listen to right now will be, if I'm correct or wrong, Sweetness. You can guess what each of the singers are. That is Jimmy Eat World, one of my favorite songs. That song's pretty awesome. It's by Eels, E-E-L-E. Kind of techno, dance. Tiesto, T-I-E-S-T-O. This is Bass Hunter. Pretty good song. It's Romanian, I think. No, it's not. Swedish, I think. Who knows? From Europe. You must know this song because it's in a lot of commercials. Jerk It Out by its users. C-E-A-S-R-M-E-R. I don't remember who sings this, but I have it on my phone. Love in This Club by Usher. I don't know if anyone likes that song. I don't know why I got the song Shadow of the Day by Linkin Park, but I do like Linkin Park. Oh yeah, Ashley Tisdale. Now this is really old school Britney Spears. I think this is from her third or fourth album. I think it's from Britney Spears. Timberland. Pretty old. Very old. You can guess who this is. Hello, Goodbye. Like that one matters. Oh, I did it again. Some of these really dumb ones I don't even have. I don't like listen to because they're just free. Drum. Fanfare. I don't really know why this is called free. Hey, techno news. It's called Limelight. I got it from my phone when I bought it. This is kind of cool. It doesn't have any words in it, but it sounds kind of cool. Whoa, that's loud. Kind of mysterious. Who knows? Just standard. Hey. It reminds me of old 50s and a balloon too. Ta-da! Now this is mysterious. Verizon Tone. Kinda dumb. Someone's talking. I don't remember who did that, but I've had that on my phone for quite a bit. Now, I really don't know why I'm going over my phone a lot, so let's just take it where it is. I'm gonna take a picture of all you, and then I'm done. Ready? Smile. Good job, people. Look at your picture. Now, I guess I can just lay back and go watch the Kings game in 25 minutes on my horrible 40-inch TV at my mom. My dad has a 55-inch plasma HD TV. I don't know how he pays for it, and it's a Blu-ray with it. I bought him 2 Blu-rays for Christmas, but I haven't really given those 2 movies yet. I got The Hulk for him and The Assassination of Jesse James. I don't know what that is. I don't know really much about most of them. Yeah, and I got my stepmom just a candle type thing. My mom really just took me to San Francisco at the beginning of the year. She got me quite a bit of stuff. I got a brand new camera a while back. But, yeah, I just don't need to keep on umming, because I a lot. And here we go. Smile for the camera. Hope you like it. Get away from me.